Stop! You're doing it again. Good boy. Don't you get sassy with me, boy. Are you kidding me? If you go on with don't you start arguing now again. If you don't stop this mess, you're going right back where you came from. You can cry all you want. If you don't behave, you're of no use to me. the audacity! How dare you! Yeah? Are you done? Are you good? Did you get it out of your system? Seems that way. Okay. Oh, you are so going right back. And you think I'm bluffing? Don't you underestimate me, boy. Don't. That's it. I'm shutting you down. There. What do you say to that? I'm telling you, kids these days, they think themselves so big, want to play with the big boys, but look at the tiny little amp head. Oh, mini amp head. You turn them off and then... No! That's a bad boy.